Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator so you can hide parts of artwork without deleting anything. First, place or draw the shape you want to use as the mask. This shape controls what stays visible. Make sure the shape is on top of the artwork. If it's not, right-click the shape and choose Bring to Front. Next, select both the shape and the artwork. Use the selection tool and drag to select everything. Now, look at the top menu. Click Object, then click Clipping Mask. Next, click Make. Illustrator hides everything outside the shape. Only the area inside the shape is visible. To edit the mask later, double-click the clipped object. This lets you move the image or the mask shape. To release the mask, go back to Object. Click Clipping Mask, then click Release. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.